Hello dear friends, and welcome to this video today in our YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be looking at how we can show that if y equals the tan inverse of x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1. Okay guys, please, just for a quick reminder, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please just hurriedly hit the subscribe button right now, because we are going to be uploading so many interesting contents for you, and you can only have access to all those contents once you subscribe. And guys, please don't forget to like this video, because that does motivate us, that does tell us that you actually found the content so useful, and that we should keep producing it. And once we see all these guys, we are going to keep doing so for you guys. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's dive straight into the video today. Okay guys, as we can see, we have that if y equals the tan inverse of x, guys. Now we should know that if y equals tan inverse of x, guys, if we take the original tan on both sides, we are simply going to have our tan y to be equal to what? X, right? Because if we take the original tangent on both sides, guys, we are simply going to have our tan y to be equal to x. Great. At this point in time, guys, we can now start differentiating this our function, because if we differentiate this our function now, if we differentiate tan y equal to x, if we differentiate tan, we are going to have what? Sec squared, right? Since it's tan y, we are going to have sec squared of y. We are differentiating with respect to y, so we have dy, and we differentiate 1, we are going we differentiate x, we are going to have what? 1, right? Dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x. Good. So differentiating this guy simply gives us sec squared y dy, then differentiating the other guy simply gives us 1 dx. Good. So now guys, in this case now, we are going to divide all through by dx. That therefore means we are simply going to have, if we divide all through by dx, we are going to have sec squared y this way, then this dy we divide by dx, we have this equal to 1 is this way, 1. Now guys, again, if we divide all through now by sec squared of x, this is supposed to be x, guys. If there's an error here, this is supposed to be x. Okay, please just see it to be x. Good. So if we divide all through by sec squared y, now that is definitely going to give us we have dy by dx this way, which is the same like 1 all over sec squared y. Great. We have 1 over sec squared y, guys. But what do you notice? We're asked to differentiate something that has to do with x, right? We end up having something that has to do with y. So let's leave from y back to x. Okay, let's leave from y back to x. And what is going to help us to leave from that conveniently now is at this point. Okay, it's at this point. So so we all know that tan y, like I have it here, is equal to x, right? Good. So now if we square both sides, guys, if we square both sides, we are going to have tan squared y equal to x squared. Good. Secondly, now if we also add 1 to both sides, guys, if we add 1 to both sides, we are going to have tan squared y plus 1 equal to x squared plus 1. The reason for doing so is that I want to look for what I can substitute with this sec squared, knowing fully whether tan squared y from trigonometry is equal to what? Sec squared y. Good. So now guys, this tan squared y plus 1 is the same like what? Sec squared y, which is the same like we simply have our x squared plus 1 this way. Good. So now guys, we are simply going to replace it by what we have. That therefore means that we are now going to have our dy by dx to be the same like what? 1 over what is sec squared y? Sec squared y according to this our equation is what? X squared plus 1. So we simply replace it by it. So we have dy by dx to be the same like 1 over x squared plus 1. Great. So we can now conclude now that, guys, therefore hence if y equals tan inverse of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is the same like 1 over x squared plus 1. Great, guys. This is the solution. This is it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching the video from start to finish, and please share it with your friends so that you can have access to good contents like this. Most of your friends usually fail questions like this because they do not know how to answer it. So the only help you can give to them is by sharing this video out to them so that they can have access to it. And guys, once you've proven this identity, now you're free to use it anywhere you encounter it. you're free to use it anywhere you encounter it. And keep in mind that if now we are being asked to integrate 1 over x squared plus 1, we are going to have what? Great, we are going to have tan inverse of x plus c, where the c in this case is 0. Okay guys, thank you for watching, like I said, and have a blessed day.